How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2017 Crew Cab F-150. All you'll need is your pick tool, a plastic tool, and then all the bolts are the same size, which is a 7, but there is 3 different kinds of bolts, which I'll show you during the video, but they're all a 7. First, we need to remove our 2 plastic trim pieces. On the door handle trim piece, start at the front and work your way back. So there should be like a little cut in the bottom, which you'll see. Kind of just jam your plastic tool in there and pull up and just work your way back. It has a tab on the end, so whenever you pull it, make sure you're not prying on this end trying to pull that tab out. Always start towards the cab and work your way back and then pull out like so. On the secondary plastic piece, start on the top because it also has 2 tabs on the bottom, so you won't be able to pull out. So just start on the top and pull towards yourself. I always just get my little pick tool and get into a corner. It probably will give you a little bit of a trouble, which you'll probably see here in a second. You gotta just put your pick tool in there and kind of just pry out, but just make sure it's on the top. And once you get that first corner in, you kind of just work your hand. And so you have these 2 plastic pins, and you have the tabs on the bottom. So make sure when you're working this that you pry from the top, not the bottom, because like I said, you definitely don't want to break these tabs. So once you get those 2 plastic trim pieces off, it's going to show 4 bolts. Alright, so I got the 4 bolts behind the plastic trim pieces. These go behind the grab handle, and you can see how big the washer is compared to this one. So the smaller ones go behind these, or for these 2, the bigger ones with the washer go behind the grab handle. Alright, so these are the 3 different kinds of bolts holding on the door. The black ones all the way to the right are the ones that are on the bottom of the door. Alright, now that we have all the bolts out, we can go ahead and pop the panel off. So just grab your plastic trim tool, start from the bottom corner, and just kind of work your way around. And usually on the lock side, you can kind of just pick up towards the cab and usually it'll come off. Alright, so that is the rear door panel. Now we'll hop on the front. Alright, now we're on the driver's side front door panel. It's pretty much the same as the back, but you are going to have 1 extra bolt on this side, which is also a 7. It's going to be right behind this plastic trim piece. So to start on top, kind of click down, and it'll pop free. Now we're going to go ahead and go to the grab handle. Same thing, just grab your plastic trim piece, stick it into that little crevice, and it'll pop free. Same tab, just make sure not to break that. You have your little square back here, same thing. Start on the top and pry outwards. Don't start on the bottom. And it'll pop free. And then just go ahead and work and take out all your bolts. Then we have the 2 on the bottom. Plastic trim piece again, start from the front. Work your way around, work up. Just kind of wiggle it free. And there you go, that is how you take off the back and the front on a 2017 Ford F-150. Thanks for watching.